Hello, what's up guys? For today's video, I will be showing you how to add cover art on your local Spotify file or local Spotify playlist that you will be creating on your Spotify account. So before anything else, what you want to do is have a music file, and nothing better to do that than to go to um, YouTube to MP3 converter, and I use only MP3, where you just paste your YouTube link and then convert it to MP3. And then another website that I use is MP3 tag, tagmp3.net. Here, if you drop down a music file, MP3 file, it can allow you to edit your cover art by uploading a JPEG, and then it can also allow you to edit the title, um, the artist name, and so on. To show you an example, this is how I did it. Basically here, I made a music file or folder under my desktop, and then here's the original MP3 that I converted and downloaded, and here's the one that is edited to have a cover art. And so once you're done with that, just kindly go to your Spotify account, and then under Home, I just kindly go to top right corner and then click on your profile, then settings, and then below, make sure that under your library you have turn on show local files, like so, and then you have click add source, and then click on the folder that you have created on your desktop, and then you can turn this off now. And then once you're in, you can refresh that and it will pop up your local files under your library, like so. And once you click that, it should appear the different songs and different music, different files that you have put under that folder. If not, you can click add, and then just kindly input the newly created music files that you have created. And if you have used the tag MP3, you should be able to have cover art on your music files, on your local files on Spotify. So that's basically it. Yeah, thank you for watching and hope this solves your problem. Have a nice day.